Tired of AI coding tools that can't integrate with your custom setup? Devin Local's new plugin system changes everything. After this tutorial, you'll be able to extend Devin Local with custom tools, automate complex development workflows using its multi-model terminal agent, and troubleshoot code like never before. The problem/why this matters? Pain point. AI coding assistants often lack the flexibility to integrate with bespoke enterprise tools or complex local environments. What most people do wrong? Rely on generic AI prompts or manually integrate AI output into their specific workflows. What's possible instead? Devin Local's plugin system and multi-model terminal agent offer unparalleled customization and direct control over your codebase. Getting set up. Exact tool/platform to use. Devin Local. Ensure latest version via Devin Docs changelog. Account setup or setting to enable. Configure Devin Local for plugin access and enable terminal agent features.
One gotcha to avoid: ensure correct environment variables are set for subagents to access MCP tools. Core technique, step-by-step, plugins and subagents. Step 1. Install a custom plugin via the Devin Local system to extend a specific functionality, e.g. custom linter or CI/CD trigger. Step 2. Access Devin for terminal via the new CLI agent to interact directly with your codebase and environment. Step 3. Demonstrate a subagent calling an MCP multimodal compute platform tool directly within the terminal for an automated task. Key variable to adjust. Switch between models like Opus 4.7, GPT 5.5, or SWE 1.6 within the terminal agent for optimal results on different tasks. Advanced tips and variations. Power user trick 1. Chain multiple plugins and subagent calls for highly complex autonomous development workflows. Power user trick 2. Leverage SWE 1.6 specifically for intricate code refactoring or bug fixing tasks within the terminal agent.
Combination with another tool's terminal agent with your existing Git workflow for seamless code management and testing. Real-world results. Concrete example output. Watch Devin Local troubleshoot and fix a complex bug in a demo repository, including Git commits and test runs. Time/money saved. Estimate how much developer time this automation and customization can save in a typical enterprise setting. Use cases viewers can try today: code refactoring, automated testing, custom deployment scripts, and complex dependency management. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials.